We're trying to establish the fact that in the UK there is a population group who legitimately want to move away from homosexuality, and that's not trying to be rude or discourteous to people who have another take on life, but they want to reserve the right to decide their own sexual identity, and they need support and protection to be able to do that.
But as Boris Johnson himself said, a lot of people would look at those posters and find them incredibly offensive. Do you accept that people would misread them, not take on board what it is you're trying to get across?
I understand that, but how do those people that I represent feel when they are told, if you have homosexual feelings, you are gay, get on with it, and they are denied the opportunity to try to move away from that if that's what they want? I want to respectfully ask that this minority within the UK is respected, and that psychotherapeutic bodies realize that they can legitimately choose to move away from homosexuality, and that this doesn't necessarily represent systemic internalized homophobia. It's just too simplistic. We can't hold that with that in every case. People are different.
There were two sides to Boris Johnson's argument. One was that gay people might find the posters, probably would find the posters offensive. The other argument is putting those posters up could actually provoke a backlash against the Christian community in London and in Britain. I mean, that is a real worry.
Well, I would have thought that that's an indictment against mature gay people who actually would be quite supportive of us in having our right to be able to say that. But I think there's another dimension to this, and that is that Boris Johnson is a public figure. He needs to realize that he's in a position where he needs to support and look after all sorts of minorities, whether or not he agrees with them. But the discrimination that is being leveled against this voiceless group in society is unfair.